Hi everyone. My sense is that many of us, me included, have been struggling with getting 4K footage off our Osmo Pockets and onto our iDevices, our iPhones and our iPads. Now, I think I've found a workaround to help us solve this problem. Keep watching and I'll tell you how. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe even if you find this information useful, but let's roll right into it. Now, one of the things I found really useful is buying the little camera adapter for the iDevices. Now, I didn't buy one straight from Apple. I bought a third-party one from AliExpress, but you can buy them from other places too. There's lots and lots of places available. Now, this works. If you watch here, you can see that I put my SD card straight in to the adapter and then plug it into my iPhone or my iPad here, and you can see that it reads the 4K footage, and I can assure you this is 4K 30 selfie footage that I'm uploading here, and it goes straight onto the iPad.
If you follow along with me here, you can see the iPad springing into action when the Apple Lightning connector is plugged into the device, and you can see that I've selected this 4K selfie video and it's importing now. It's very short because it's only 6 seconds long, but it's just to give you a look. And this is a bit of an outtake from this morning when I was recording this video, and you can see that it will play with no problem whatsoever. Here we go, and selecting and playing. There we go. So it works. Use the Apple camera adapter to get the footage in.
Now, I edit in LumaFusion, but you can use this as a stepway device to get it into anything else that you're trying to use. So yeah, that's what works for me, and give it a try and let me know how it works out for you too. I'd love to hear more if it does work out for you. Don't forget, please like and subscribe too if you found this information useful. It's helped you to solve a problem, and don't forget to hit the bell notifications as well so you get any information that I put out on this channel. You can subscribe to this playlist, which is my gear and how I use it, or you can subscribe to my travel channel as well. There's lots of great footage there, particularly about a North Vietnam trip I took recently. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon. Cheers.